Italians would express their love by saying, "Ti voglio bene," or in a literal translation, this means not "I love you" but "I wish you well" or "I wish you good." And if we will try to see these words, loving should not go far with wishing well. Kung nagmamahal, at least nananalangin at iniisip ang kabutihan at kapakanan ng iba. Our readings today would offer us that experience. Elijah thought of Ahab's protection in the event of the rain. He sent his servant to tell Ahab to get off before the rain gets rid of him. And likewise, Jesus would like to offer us a valuable expression of love, not only with big or expressive words or actions, but sometimes love and care can come out from a desire to wish others well. Not with raka or you fool, but with the simple gesture of reconciliation and peace. Loving and wishing others well are twins. Hindi po pwede na nagmamahal. Hindi po pwede na nagmamahal ay hindi iniisip ang mabuting kapakanan ng iba. Mahirap sabihing mahal kita o mahal ko kayo, pero hindi nagpapakita, hindi nakikiramay, hindi natulong, hindi nakikisama sa iba. Mas masahol na nagsasabi na nagmamahal siya, pero hindi dinadamdam at hindi ginagawa ang pagmamahal. And how many times have we wished others well? Baka nasanay na lang tayo na nagsasabi o gumagawa ng mga maliliit na nakakasira na bagay. The raka and the you fool that Jesus is also telling in our gospel today may be felt whenever we would not care at all. And hopefully, that won't be a growing culture in our society now. Every day, my dear brothers and sisters, every day is a chance that we are given the opportunity to say and even think of wellness and care for others. Katulad po ni Elias, nanggaling ito sa masinsinang pananalangin. At hayaan po natin na ang pakikitungo natin sa Diyos dito maging pasimula at maging pagpapadaloy ng isang buhay na ang iniisip ay pagmamahal na may pagmamalasakit at pag-iisip para sa kabutihan ng iba.